Enjoy your summer with the Kwikset Escape pop-up screen shelter. The Escape provides protection from bugs, sun, or rain, and one person can set it up in under 60 seconds. There is no assembly required, so it's fast and easy to set up right out of the box. Windproof and water-resistant, the Kwikset Escape has revolutionized portable pop-up shelters and the way families and outdoor enthusiasts battle mosquitoes and Mother Nature. A few key benefits include: no CM mesh keeps biting insects and mosquitoes out. With over 11 feet across and a height of 90 inches, there's plenty of room for a picnic table and the family. Durable 210 denier poly Oxford fabric and tape seams are water and tear resistant. Weighs less than 35 pounds. Heavy-duty zippers, flex-tested fiberglass poles, and heavy-duty hubs make for one of the most durable, dependable screen shelters in the outdoors. Tie-down stakes and a convenient water-resistant carrying bag are included, and wind panels are optional for added privacy and shade. The Kwikset Escape is perfect for camping, backyard barbecues, tailgating, or any event where you want to spend time outdoors protected from sun, rain, or bugs. The Escape is available in brown and tan, green, and camouflage. Other shelters by Kwikset include the Traveler, the Pavilion, the Escape XL, and the Excursion. Spend your summer in comfort with a Kwikset screen shelter.